Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to flip a layer in Krita. First, make sure the layer you want to flip is selected in the layer's docker. Next, activate the transform tool by clicking its icon in the toolbar or pressing Ctrl T on Windows or Command T on Mac. You'll see a bounding box appear around the contents of the active layer. With the transform tool active in the layer selected, open the Tool Options docker to find the flip buttons, usually icons for flip horizontally and flip vertically. Click the horizontal flip icon to mirror the selected layer left to right, or the vertical flip icon to mirror it top to bottom. Krita will flip that layer's pixels. Other layers remain unchanged. Another way is to use the layer menu. Go to Layer, Transform, then mirror layer horizontally or vertically. This also flips only the selected layer without affecting the rest of your document. And that's how you flip just one layer in Krita. Thanks for watching.